Nothing could stop the festivity experienced by patrons at this year's National Emancipation and Independence celebratory events. On the final celebratory night was the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen competition. Miss St. James, Kaisha Randall, walked away with the winning crown. And when asked why she entered the competition, she had this to say.
Women empowerment and using this platform to kind of just empower young people, not just women, but boys as well, and to crack that glass ceiling some more for women to step out of their comfort zone. It's a platform to be a cultural ambassador for your country, and I think this is the most amazing place to get it done.
And as customary on Independence Day, the National Stadium was a sea of black, green and gold as patriotic patrons came out for the Grand Gala. Over 1,000 performers participated, and boy did they put on a show. Reggae made the top of the agenda for days 6 and 7 as the Randy Williams Entertainment Center was a packed venue with numerous reggae fans who came to support the World Reggae Dance Championships and Reggae to Rio concert. And those in attendance truly had a blast. And then there was Mellow Go Round. As usual, a wide range of cultural performances were on display to suit the tastes of everyone present. The week of events started off with a national Thanksgiving service and an evening of praise at the Gospel Song Competition finals.
I don't know about you, but one thing I do know is that when the praises go up, the blessings must come down. Marsha, Jarrett, send up the praise. The winning song.
I was going through a situation for over 10 years, an illness that the doctors could not find a cure for, even when I traveled. And I just decided one night that I would just get up and be radical about it and just decide that no more. I'm just going to praise God no matter what.
I have watched all of these performers grow from just persons who walked in with a little track or with a song, with a keyboard, and I mean, it's been an amazing journey.
Jamaica is like a seabed of talent, no matter which field you go into, especially singing. When you listen to young people and sing, man, you realize we are not ordinary type of people because, you know, talent is like in every one of us.
Let's talk some more about singing. A few weeks before the August 1 start of the celebrations was the festival song competition. O'Neil Scott, more popularly known as Nazaman, walked away the winner with his patriotic entry, No Way Like Jamaica.
We don't love no way like Jamaica. Because no one is sweet like Jamaica. Oh, because I will not leave sweet Jamaica, end up in a foreign land. Things we achieve, so we blessed by the Father, mighty.
The reports that we are getting is that right across Jamaica, in all parishes, the events have been tremendously successful. We had a little itch, as you know, with the threat of the storm, but we were able to pull things back together within 2 days, and I'm very, very satisfied that we have once again delivered to Jamaica.
But it would not be possible without dedicated patrons who offer their support year after year after year.
There is a lot of talented young persons in today's societies, and this competition is one of the ways to let their talent show. I would tell all Jamaicans to come support all of these events because it's really important.
I think that is very important, especially for the younger generation, to keep in touch with the culture and how great Jamaica is.
It shows that things has developed tremendously, and this is what we really need in this country.
It is a wonderful feeling that we have been able to ensure that for Jamaica 54, we have embraced the entire island. The JCDC is doing a wonderful job, and I just want to say that moving from Jamaica 54 into Jamaica 55 is going to be awesome.